Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. In front of me I have cleaning tool and I'm going to use this brush, but if you have a cleaning tool you can use also a toothbrush and isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit and it's a good one. Now, we need to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts on your earbuds. So, right here, we have these charging contacts. Then, at the right one. And also, at the charging case, we have the charging contact, so I wanna apply it here also. Now, let's use a brush to clean the charging contacts at your earbuds. Here we go, now the right one. And the charging case. And the right side. Then I recommended to clean the grill, so we need to remove ear tips from the earbuds. Right here we have the grill and slightly also clean it. If your earbuds quiet, it also help you if you clean the grill. Maybe it help you. It should. Okay, now let's attach ear tip. Now we can put it to the charging case and we need to do the same with the right one. Here we go. And now let's attach it. And put it to the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.